Okay, good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am. How are you doing?
Yeah, it's good. You tell how is going on your day?
I was little busy, but now I am free.
Okay.
Because of Saturday, it was my off, so I had to take care my family work or personal work. So I was taking care.
Yeah, I can understand. Like it's Sunday, like we are totally busy. Little bit household chores. Like it is remaining. Like if we are going outside work, so family is waiting when he or she will come at home. We will do this and that work. Okay, I'm totally resonating.
Yes, yes.
Okay, sir. So before like time into the session, we should know to each other. So could you please introduce yourself?
Yes, please. Sure. So, first of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself on your platform. So, my name is Anand. I am from Uttar Pradesh, near to Varanasi, and my interest is to learn English, and these days I'm totally involved into English. Apart from that, listening music, playing video game, and traveling is my hobby. And by profession, I am a software developer, and currently I have work from home 11, so I'm working from my hometown. Yeah, so that's pretty much about me.
Okay, okay. It's a great introduction. So now I'm going to tell about myself. So my name is Mamta Kaur. I have completed my master degree in organic chemistry. After that, I also have completed my B.Ed degree. And along with I qualified CTET examination. And I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan. And my hobby is spending time with family members, playing some of games, and I love to dance. And nowadays, I'm running a small YouTube channel that name is Mamta's Mighty. So that's it all about me. Okay, sir. Sir, your voice
Thanks.
a little bit low, so you should speak a little bit loudly. Okay.
Okay, okay, I will do.
Okay, sir. So now I'm going to ask you, like, how is going on your English journey? First of all, I would like to ask you.
Yeah, my English journey, I started my English journey this year, January 2026. And before that, I was able to communicate, but not that much. And right, consistency is important for any type of journey. So I was not consistent before that. So this year I was little bit consistent. So I'm able to improve. And these days I'm consistently learning and trying to converse with people as much as possible. And yeah, that's how I started. I started 2 3 points like shadowing technique. So sometime I try to watch some video and try to shadow. And apart from that, I started reading book. So yeah, that's two things mainly I do. And apart from that, I keep notes of for everything whatever I learn for revision.
Okay, okay, you are putting lots of efforts to learn this language, so it's wonderful. And you have to maintain your consistency. Definitely, you will get your goal and confidence work. Okay, sir. So, sir, you told me that you are a software engineer. You are working like
Yes, yes.
okay, like when you went for software job. So, did you conduct any interview for that exam for that job?
Yes, yes. After completing graduation, I was trying to I was looking for job, and I was trying to give interview, but I was not getting selection in any company for 1 month. After 1 month, after giving lot of interviews, I got selected, and that's how my journey started. So interview is always there in IT industry. Without interview, it won't be possible.
Okay, okay. Yeah, sir, I can understand. Like, if you are going for interview, so we have to face lots of hurdles. So, without interview, we can't join any type of job. But it's good. Okay. So, now, do you have any questions? So, you can ask me.
Yes, yes. As a beginner, I would like to know about your journey, how you become enthusiastic into this English language.
Like, how can I say? Like, sir, I put lot of efforts to learn this language. Before, I used to speak a lot. And I didn't read that much, but a little bit I used to read sometimes whenever I got interest, like I should go for this language. So that time I used to read, but I don't have any time. I didn't have any type of consistency. And another thing also, like I use listen a lot. Speaking and listening part, I did a lot, and I didn't have I didn't have any type of environment, so that's why like I used to work on grammatical part also because I didn't have idea
Okay.
related to grammatical part little bit, so that's why I work on the grammatical part also.
Okay, cool. Do you are you working professional?
No, sir, I'm not doing anything.
Okay.
Just I'm
So
staying.
might be you would be looking for job, or
No,
do
no,
you
no.
have
Now,
any
now
other
I don't
option?
have. Now I'm not looking any type of job. Just like this is my goal. I will proficient in this language. After then, I will go for teaching. So some of the
Okay.
students and any person would like to teach with me. So I give classes. This is my goal.
Okay. First, you are preparing yourself for to teach someone.
Yeah, whatever like we are going to any job, any like teaching field, so we have to prepare ourselves. We have to work on ourselves a lot. After then we can go for it.
Right. Right. Definitely.
So now I'm thinking, but definitely I will do something. Yeah, I was thinking
Okay. So
teach, but I'm not teaching because like I started focusing on this
okay.
language, or and I'm comfortable in this language, so that's why I'm not going outside.
Okay. Do you have any experience in teaching
Yeah,
or
before
not?
like 6 months, I taught in a
Okay.
school, but after then I didn't teach.
Okay. Cool. So it's been around 1 year, right? You have started your YouTube channel.
Yeah, it's been 1 year, but I used to upload a grammatical part related to grammatical part. I was not uploading any type of conversation video, but I can say it's been 2 months. I'm uploading. Not every nowadays. I am consistent. I am maintaining consistency, and I am uploading every day. It's been around 15 to 20 days. I am uploading every day. Before I used to upload to after 2 3 days. I used to upload like this, and it's been 2 months. I'm uploading videos related to conversation video. Before I was not uploading, and like I used to talk audio call with the person.
Okay. Okay.
Mm.
Cool. So do you enjoy it into the visiting, traveling?
Sorry.
And, do you love traveling?
Yes, I think most of the people love traveling.
Okay. So far, how many
Because
places you have visited?
yeah, apart from my Rajasthan, I visited South India, like I can say Hyderabad,
Okay.
and in my only apart from Hyderabad, my Rajasthan and two state I visited, and Delhi also I went. There only I visited one of temple that name is Akshardham. So it was wonderful because then when we went there, so that day it was raining,
Mhm.
so that's why we didn't explore all the places.
Okay.
Yeah, I
Okay.
think you are staying in Andhra, like you told.
Jaunpur, Uttar Pradesh,
Okay, UP.
UP.
Okay,
Yes.
so how is weather your side? Everything is good.
It's monsoon weather.
Okay, but
Sometime raining, sometime open.
mhm. Our side also like it's coming, but now like I can say it's been 5 to 6 days. Like raining is not there. We are feeling like a very hot days. We are not feeling comfortable ourselves. We are feeling every time sweating. This type of thing is happening our side. Weather is not good. We are waiting of the rain.
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay. I have one question.
can
What
you?
is the main motive of conversational video? Means try to converse with people and upload on YouTube channel.
Yeah, firstly, I want to improve myself. I want to enhance my
Mhm.
communication skills. Firstly, like I want to proficient in this language. This is my first goal. After then, like I want to teach. I like teaching part. So in future, definitely I will teach. So that's why I thought like I should work on this language. And nowadays, like I started feeling comfortable. So like I am getting fluency in this language. Only I have to work on little bit vocab. And if I want to work on a fancy vocab and idioms, phrasal verbs, so I started working on it, on that. And
Right.
conversation video, it is behind the reason I want to gain I want to gain knowledge, different type of from the different type of people. Like all people are belong to different type of state and another district. So like if we will talk with them, so we will gain knowledge from them. How is their culture? How they talk? How they wear? How they so all lots of things we will know from the other. So it is my motto. And like I feel comfortable like when I talk to different type of people because like I'm sitting at home and I'm doing conversation of the people. So like I think I'm consuming my time. So I can't
Yes,
feel
yes.
like I'm feeling
Basically,
boring. I'm sitting at home and I'm not doing anything. Like if you want to do we can scroll reels, we can watch some of movies, and we can spend our time. It's depend on us how we are using our time. So I was thinking like after doing household chores, we can go for conversation because it is good for us. We will conversation with
right, right.
people. We will sign ourselves.
Yes, yes. I'm also same page. Doing conversation to improve myself, but I think a viewer will watch the video once they will get the value. So I'm thinking to have conversation in such a way. So if viewers should watch, they should gain some value.
This type of value.
So
Are you talking about it?
uh, if we are talking about English, then they should get. I mean,
Oh,
definitely people will be
okay,
coming from English background, right?
okay, they started judging to us.
Yes,
Like if you are speaking English, they
yes,
will think like you belong to a good personality. Like you have a well educated person. Otherwise, they started judging you. Like whatever you have a lots of knowledge and you are getting good job. After that, they started saying like he or she doesn't know how to speak English. So I can understand what you want to think.
yes, yes. So any topic do you have in your mind?
Okay. Yeah, I don't have any topic, but I want to ask you like any
Yes.
situation it happened with you, like you first struggle to take this language, like any embarrassed moment, like you are thinking, like someone is mocking on you when you are not able to speak English. So, did you face this type of situation in your life any day?
Yes, yes, it was there, especially in English. Sometime we connect with the client, then they speak something, but we couldn't able to get because of they are foreigner and they have different accent and rhythm. So that's how it's difficult to catch him. But after understanding and connecting with people, doing collaboration, learning, so now I am able to get. Previously, I was facing this challenge.
Mhm. Yeah, previously you were facing this type of challenge. Okay,
Yes, yes,
so now you
yes.
are
When I was new,
are you
yeah,
understanding?
when I was new, yeah, you please go ahead.
Okay, I was asking you, are you understanding everything still now?
Yeah, now I am able to understand everything.
Okay.
Some of thing I miss, but due to flow and sentence, I am able to get.
Okay, okay. It's happened initially days. Okay.
Uh,
Are you asking me before? Any question?
I think I was adding point into your sentence.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. So what was it was?
Yeah. Apart from that, I would like to ask one more question. Most of the people are coming into conversation, right? They are trying to learn English, and there is one more thing: communication skill and English language.
Mm-hmm.
So, which one is better in your opinion?
Yeah, both it's matter. If you know very well how to speak English, but you don't have a skill, like how we can share our thoughts in front of someone. So it should be like we should have knowledge, like how we can communicate with others. Sometimes it's happened with us, like we have a lots of knowledge, but we can't elaborate that knowledge in front of another people.
Right, right.
Yeah. So this is I want to say like this. And what is your opinion?
Yeah, same. That's why I'm here. I have technical knowledge, but I'm trying to enhance my English communication. So I'm trying to learn English and spending time into that.
Yeah, this is like we can say this is skill. Like English speaking also it's a skill. That's why we are using English speaking skill because like sometimes it's happened like a lot of person they started feeling shy, they started humbling. They have knowledge to take this language, but they started fumbling a lot, stumbling while speaking. So like everyone, like it is not cup of tea. Like it's depend on person to person how they can express yourself.
Right, right.
It's happened with us with our native language also. Sometimes we started losing our confidence. We started fumbling with our native language, but we are proficient in this language. After then, we started doing this type of thing. Like any like a good person in front of us is sitting and he or she is asking something to us. So that time we don't have, suppose we don't have knowledge related to those things, but we should have knowledge. But he or she is asking about this. So that time we started fumbling. Little bit, not that much, but it's happened. We started losing our
Yes,
confidence.
yes. Yes, yes. And these days, English is going to be global language, so it's easy to communicate with anyone
Yeah, it's easy to
from anywhere.
others, and it is mandatory. Without English, we can't survive to everywhere. So, like, we are facing this type of problem, but nowadays, like, changes, new generation, it will be not face because they are having environment in a school, like whatever it is, environment at home or not, but they are having environment in a school. So they will not face this type
Right.
of problem. But we didn't have. That's why we have to learn this language. Where someone is giving 1 year, 2 year to learn this language. So it's
Yes,
depends.
yes. English problem for upcoming generation won't be there. But I think challenges will be always there because of competition and all.
Mhm. Yeah, like it will be like when we will go in future and we will see lots of competition. It will be there.
Yes,
Mhm. But our time it was not there that much.
yes, yes, yes. It was there, but not that much.
According to time scenario, it would be different.
Yes, yes.
Mhm.
So, if we have to visit in Rajasthan, apart from Khatu Shyam, what other place you can suggest?
Okay, so do you know Khatushamji temple?
Yes, I have visited.
Okay, you have visited. It's near to me,
Okay,
and
how far?
mhm, like around 10 kilometers apart from me,
Okay,
and like one of
then
temple.
you can go weekly.
Sorry,
Then you can visit weekly.
weekly. You can understand when you went there. So did you notice lots of crowded there? It was
Yes, yes, yes.
yeah. So
Yeah, it was there.
one like around one Sunday, I thought around it's been 15 to 20 days ago. I thought like I should go for Khatu Shyamji temple. So that was like I am totally free on the Sunday. So because my husband is free, so I went with my husband with my family. I went there. So it was morning time
Mm.
and it was Sunday. So it there like I can't take breathe. So like
Mm.
I felt suffocation a lot, and I started saying I will not come here again. But like we
OMG.
go visit another day because lots of
Okay.
crowd it would be there.
Yes, yes. On weekend, basically
Nowadays,
crowd increase
it's too much
twice.
popular. That's why people are
Mm.
coming every day.
Yes, yes. When I had visited, that was in morning. I think 5 or 4:30
Yeah.
was. So that time it was. I mean, crowd was not there. But when we exit, then it was lot of crowd, and the place where we had visited with vehicle, so everything was barrier was there everywhere, and we had to go by foot.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
happened. I have noticed. And last Sunday, I was thinking like I should go for Khatu Shyamji temple. I told to my husband, but my husband denied me. Like it would be lots of crowd. So we will go another day on Monday and another day. The evening we will go in the evening. Evening time, lots of people like there it will be not crowd in the morning time.
Mm.
Mhm. Definitely. So you were thinking like I will tell about Khatu Shyamji temple. So that's why you told me like apart from Khatu Shyamji, you have to tell where I can visit in Rajasthan.
No, basically I wanted to know other places, but we involved into Khatu Shyamji.
Mhm.
My intention was to know about other places.
Okay, okay. Because like I think most of the people started knowing about Khatu Shyamji temple. It is
Mm.
going on too much popular. That's why. Okay.
Okay, so do you think any other places or only Khatu Shyam Ji?
Yeah, we visit our sites, all temples we visit.
Okay.
Like Khatu Shyam Ji, it's there in a rural areas.
Mhm.
So one of Khatu Shyam Ji is available. Like, did you see Khatu Shyam Ji temple's gate in the Ringus village? Did you heard about it when you came here?
I don't remember now. 1 year back, it was, my plan was.
Yeah, Khatu Shyam Ji
No,
temple
don't remember.
gate. Khatu Shyam Ji temple's gate. It is it's in my village. After then, like 10 kilometer apart from me, it's the Khatu Shyam Ji temple.
Okay.
And one of temple also Khatu Shyam Ji in my village, and real temple it is in my village, and Khatu Shyam Ji another temple. But in Khatu Shyam Ji temple it is too much big.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Any questions for me?
Okay, you can tell like in a UP. So this type of dishes is popular in a sweets, spices.
I think spices kind of basically here every kind of food is available, and it depend on based on choice. If we go in side of Bihar, then there will be bati chokha, and if we go, yeah, bati chokha. Have you heard about?
Bati I
No.
heard about, but chokha I didn't.
Okay, it's kind of bati chokha.
Bati
So
is spicy.
yes,
In a sweets.
in sweets, all kind of sweets. I don't know specific, but one thing is there, Imirti, which is popular in my city, Jaunpur basically. And in terms of visiting ritual places, many places are there in UP.
So what place is popular? More.
Yeah, Kasi is there, Kasi Varanasi.
Kasi Varanasi.
Yeah. And Mathura is there, Vrindavan,
Mathura, Vrindavan.
and Ayodhya.
Did you visit every place?
Yes, these places I have visited.
Okay.
I have visited one long place that is Kashmir. It's not coming in my mind.
Okay, no.
Vaishno Devi, Kota.
Vaishno Devi. Okay, okay. So, okay, so now I want to ask you one of question. Like, do you get environment in your like company where you are doing job? English environment do you get?
Yes, in my company I get English environment. Apart from my company, my office work, I didn't get anywhere any environment in English.
Apart from your home.
So in home basically we speak to each other in Hindi, and outside sometime when we meet with friend, then we speak in English sometime. Otherwise, mostly we speak in Hindi. Only I get chance to speak in English in my office work.
Okay, okay. So thank you so much, sir. Now I should wrap up the session.
Yes, yes.
If you have any questions,
problem.
you can ask me.
No, I don't have any other questions. That's it.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much for joining me and giving your precious time.